Hello, I'm Steven. I will be explaining to you how to use your new wcwc MP3 player. This device allows us to pack many hours of audio into a very small space. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us for help. First, let's unpack the device and get familiar with the parts. When you receive your MP3 player, here are some of the parts that you'll find inside. Here's the actual MP3 player. We'll look at how to use these buttons shortly. Here's the charging cable. Here's the AC adapter. Here are the headphones. We might include a speaker system for you, which we'll explain later. For now, we can just use the headphones. Here's the original manual and CD that came with this player. Let's get some things set up here. First, you need to know how to charge the player. Plug the charging cable into the adapter, like so. It only goes in one way. So if it doesn't go in, turn it around like this, and then it'll go in. Then, plug this adapter into your wall socket. Green light turns on, and we're good to go. Plug the other end of the cable into the MP3 player. You'll see there's sort of a D-shaped socket on one side. To the left, and plug that connector into it. The round socket is a headphone jack. The player always comes on when it's plugged in. You can leave it plugged in while you use it, or you can use it from batteries when it's charged. Let's plug the headphones into the MP3 player so that you can try it out. The headphone jack's on the left. So we plug the headphones in. Don't put them in your ears yet until you can control the volume level. We don't want you to blast your ears. Let's look at some of the keys on this MP3 player. Here's the screen. Here's the left arrow, or previous. The right arrow, or next. The M for the menu. A minus and a plus. On the left side of the player is a hold switch. If this is on to the right, the buttons are disabled. You want to make sure this is always slid up towards the word hold. So make sure to slide it up or to the left towards the word hold. On the right hand side, there is an AB button with a red dot and also a power button with a circle. If the player is off, you can turn it on by pressing the power button. To turn it off when it's not plugged into charging, hold down the power button until you see the message go away and the screen goes dark. Let's play something. With the screen on, hold down the M key until you get this main menu. Then press the left arrow until you get all the way to the left to where it says music. Now press M, and when it says play all, press the right button to go to device, internal device, then press M again. Now press the left and right buttons to choose which category you want, such as WCWC 2008. Once you've picked a category, press the plus key to go inside that category. So press plus. Now you have a list of pieces or topics. You can use the left and the right button to choose one of them. Once you've chosen something, its name will move to the left and the right, so you can see all of it. So you can see all of the name. And it will start playing. Press the M key. Now let's look at some parts of the screen and then see how we can control the playback. Up at the top, we have the battery. It will show you how full the battery is. You should have several hours of playback on one battery charge. It'll be moving to the right if you're charging the battery. Next to the musical note, this yellow box should say 1, 2, 3. If it says anything else, press the button with the red dot on the side until it says 1, 2, 3 again. Like so. Here's the volume level. The minus and plus keys will lower and raise the volume respectively. Here's the minus and here's the plus. You can see you can lower the volume. Once you lower the volume, this is a good time to plug in your headphones and start listening. A lot of this stuff is just technical details, but these numbers here are important. The top number shows you how far into this piece or message you are, and the bottom one shows how long the message is. This sliding bar here moves along as the message plays. The text at the bottom tells you the file name, the name of the speaker, as well as the name of the album. In this case, WCWC 2008. This triangle tells you that the piece is playing. To pause it, press the M key. You'll see the 2 lines, which mean that it's now paused. To continue it, press the M key again. You can also move back or forwards through the piece. If I hold down the left button, you'll see I'm now moving to the left, or earlier in the piece. If I hold the right button down, it'll move later. If you press the left button once, like this, let's press it once, you'll see we go to the beginning of the piece. But if you keep pressing it multiple times, it'll jump to an entirely different piece. Hopefully this has been a helpful video for you. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any more questions about using the device. Thank you, and again, I'm Steven for the WCWC MP3 player.